Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide all Facebook photos in 2021. What you need to do, just go to Facebook and then just click on the three lines. After that, click settings and then account settings, and then click profile and tagging. Now you see here tagging. Who can see photos you are tagged in on your profile? Just click here, and here you have everyone, friends of friends. You need to select only me. When you select only me, that means you can hide all the Facebook photos. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.